I don't know what Tamil represents for Petagaye life on YouTube. I would do. You see me? I have to talk it out. Okay, know the thing. Go back now.
Guys, good day. I'm here with the one and only Annesha. Anyways, we're going on the road. We're going to do some. What want to do again? We're going to get something to eat. Errands. So you guys come with us. We did some work before.
Yeah, we did.
A lot of work. So what? We need some food. So I'll catch you guys on the road.
Yeah, and we're just gonna run to a few places because I want to pick up some things.
Oh,
they're having sales. A lot of places are having sales, so I'm trying to catch a sale.
And plus, there's a meet and greet. Oh my God. Yeah, we might pass through.
If we're there before the time that it finishes.
So take a seat in the car, and then you're gonna see Jamaican Road and everything. So yeah, naturally I go on there. Eh?
Yeah, I like it.
Hi.
You remember her name?
Yeah. Good with names. So that's how we're gonna do it. Annesha, really?
You have to.
Why?
I'll tell you later.
You're in a safe area.
Listen, crime. Let me tell you guys something. Because I have a criminology degree, and I used to work for the police and stuff. Crime happens anywhere. Okay, don't think that if you're in some place, that crime's gonna happen here more. Like, no, crime can happen anywhere, at anyone's house, in any community,
That's
any
true,
country.
But it thinks somebody to steal a car and all these things though. So guys, over there is.
Have you guys been to the King's house before? Comment down below. I would like to go in there if they do tours. I've never been.
I haven't been over there. Have you been over TGIF?
Yeah, I have. Somehow we were thinking about the same thing too.
So are you enjoying Kingston so far?
Girl, I feel like this is my first time going to town.
Oh, and for so long. Come here, sir.
No, girl, we have I'm not gonna say where.
Alright, but driver. Come on.
We have houses in town. You didn't know that? Yeah. So
rocking the Jamaican hair and all these things.
Remind me to turn over on our Road.
Yeah, watch that on the stretcher.
Right here. Is it?
Yeah. I did.
Oh, I can't reverse in the middle of the road. Anyways, so yeah, so we have houses in Kingston. I'm always there, and we're doing a lot of renovations and stuff. So I've been coming to town my whole life.
Yeah, what I hear about driving reversing. You hear about footing now?
Did you take driving lessons? Was it you on your vlog I was watching? I don't know who I was watching in Jamaica.
Oh.
Be careful. These roads are so like
narrow.
Yep.
But so if Kingston is so narrow, what would you say about the country roads?
It's easier to drive because I feel like it's not as hectic as town. Town is so flippin' hectic, man. And I feel like any city center is gonna be hectic no matter where you live in this world. Because in Toronto it's the same thing. When you live in like country or in the suburbs, whatever, it's not as hectic. But the roads are not like that. It's just like the road is as wide as the car.
Oh.
Like here, this road right here. You guys are just watching me struggle. Watch when the next car comes in here and then I'm blocking traffic.
They get so nervous and... But yeah,
wait, you have your thing, right? Your driver's license?
No.
Really?
No, but I just drive. But I don't have a license.
Oh my gosh, she's so bad.
I don't really, I'm a learner, Don't get me wrong.
So I'm going to apply for your license.
Whenever I feel that I can manage the big road, I can.
In life, especially when it comes to driving, you're not gonna be able to manage. You're just gonna have to do it and try and do your best, and that's it. I don't think I was ever ready. Yeah, I don't think anyone's ever ready. You just do it, and if you fail the test, you fail the test. If you pass, you pass. And then if you fail, you just continue and try again.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's ever.
And then I can make a video letting you guys know how the process to get to your driver's license.
Yeah, that would be so good. A lot of people would like that. I would like that to watch.
Yes, and all those who don't know Annesha, she have a channel as well, so support my girl.
Oh my god, where's our dead road? It's not this one. I saw it yesterday when we came from sushi.
I want to show you guys where we drive.
You guys missed it. I just got got pulled over. Oh, Press Shop Co or something.
Just got pulled over by some police, giving attitude.
Yeah, and I was like, is everything okay? And he's like, why you asking me that? I'm like, because you seem upset. He was trying to make me cross the road while there's like all this traffic coming. And I was like, no, I'm not crossing until like it's safe for me to cross, right? It's not your car that's getting mashed up, it's mine, right? So anyways, we end up crossing and stuff. And then he was trying to like get my documents without telling me. And I was like, no, I need to know why you're pulling me over. And then so he said something about there being blue lights on the car, it's a fence or something. And I said, that's okay, you just have to let me know why you're pulling me over before I can give you anything. So I gave him my stuff, and then he started questioning me, and they were giggling and stuff, so it's so funny.
You guys looking nervous?
Yeah, he said, because I asked him if everything was okay, and he was like, you guys look like you're nervous. Why you look like you're nervous? You're shaking. I was like, no. I'm asking if you're okay because you look angry. You look upset. I was like, I know your guys' job is hard, so I'm just asking it.
So I was educating her that people in Jamaica don't really ask police how they're going, so they find that a bit weird. So
the first time was dissing me, and they were saying, "Oh, you would normally get an offense for this if you're in your country or something like that," because they said I had my Canadian driver's license, and I was like, "No. In Canada, they're reasonable as well because they weren't gonna give me a ticket." And I was like, "No, in Canada, they're like, no, they don't," and they started laughing, and then they just said, "Have a good day," and then left.
In Jamaican term, it's like one.
Yeah, so I was telling her to record it just in case anything.
So we're gonna go in there before.
Just waiting for a price inquiry. We're here.
Yay! Come up here in the traffic. These taxi drivers, terrible. Anyways, we're going over to Clockwork Plaza now. So yeah.
Hey guys, we're halfway through. So she came to come take a picture.
Hi! So fun in one day! Stop! You're so So I'm just a supporter. What's it's okay. Do you have Instagram?
Petagaye, Life, we link up with the Carter family, CMR. So we're there here, make sure y'all support it. Make sure I get this video too, because I'm gonna support it. And I'm also subscribe.
Well, where is Chrissy?
No, she's upstairs. Because we're
upstairs to see her. Must the one see her though.
Alright, we'll put the Petagaye, Life.
Is she in here? Oh my gosh, it's so packed in here. There's so much people in here.
Guys, in here is so packed. If anybody just want to meet Chrissy. So, guys, yes, we went upstairs to see Chrissy, but as you guys saw,
It's so packed.
and we all saw people slippers on the floor. Like, who left their slippers though?
Yeah, it was so packed and it was hot. It was just too much. There's a lot of people, even like down here, just walking. There's people stopping like every 2 seconds wanting photos, groups of people. There's so many people here just for them. It's really nice actually. A lot of people like them.
So we're gonna get some more stuff and we chat back.
Got a spot in every state, Dalmatian bitch. Gotta see your money, old money, real good money. Ain't do a feature that was
Gosh, I always saw this Instagram page, so we just come on and look at some clothes. As per usual, asking about sales. So that's what we're doing right now.
Wait. What's this? $1,000 each? Okay, guys. No, you talk. You sound good. Get ready.
Okay, thanks for stopping by at the Essential store. I hope to see you again soon.
Thanks. They have good customer service here.
What thing then?
Yeah, so this is the Tacoma store. This has some
Sales.
whatever. Like an Instagram post, so let's stop by. And this is a very good, you know? Come on.
I'm a bit shy, but come to Body Trend.
Yes, come to Body Trend, guys.
Listen to your songs too.
And our songs.
Yeah.
If you have a big stomach and you want to lose it, get that. You want all these curves, get that. They have a lot of things, you guys, so definitely check them out on Instagram. And we got my host today.
Yeah, she's so good.
Kingston.
Blessings.
Hi.
Okay, next week.
Today's what? Saturday?
Yeah. Buying some subs. I've been craving this forever. So I'm just waiting until it's my turn.
Bell peppers and jalapeno.
Could I get cucumber?
Yeah, same.
Oh, and can I have extra pickles? And for sauce, can I have ranch? And then, I don't know what you guys call it. Do you guys have sub sauce? I don't know what you guys call it down here.
Home. Back to the work though.
Yeah.
So we're just chilling, talking about today. So I have to go home because I have work tomorrow.
I wanted her to sleep over.
Maybe next week on my day off. Let's see
have
how it
like a
goes.
sleepover for like a few days.
Few days.
Can you manage me for that long?
I have work, so.
No, I'm saying if you had like that many days off.
Of course. Could you manage and feed me?
Definitely. I'll try and cook some. Let me tell you. I'll try and cook some like egg and bread.
American style
Some
breakfast.
cereal.
You don't cook cereal,
Little
boo.
hot dogs. I'm just joking.
So,
Simple stuff. But
so let's get back to work because I still have to go home. So yes, I'm here. So finishing up now, going home, waiting on my ride. But Annesha really wanted me to stay.
yeah.
Or she should have told me this. I will book a 1 week vacation. I would have spent 1 week together. So I'm just basically come on this and end the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoy, even though it's short, but you guys enjoy. Remember to check out Annesha channel.
She'll leave it down below.
Yeah, you're
I'm
tired.
not tired. I think I'm just bored now since
So,
you're leaving.
I just want to say you're bored of me.
No.
So we'll link up again soon. Maybe.
Oh, wait, hold on. What do you guys think about this? So we went inside the store, right? And Petagaye saw the wigs on the mannequin head. So she's like, oh, the colors are nice. Let me go over to them. Like any average customer would, okay? Like how you would, well, I would, maybe.
Yeah,
actually, maybe
feel
how
hair.
you would, maybe how. Anyways, so she went over and she wanted to feel the hair because, like, I think that's just her natural instinct to just touch, to, you know, see, taste, feel, whatever. And then she was just touching it, and the man was like, what did he say? He's like, don't touch the hair.
You can't touch that.
Yeah, he said something about like, don't touch it. And then I was like, wait, what's happening? And I turned, I was like, so how is she supposed to buy the hair if she can't touch it to feel how soft it is? He was like, only people who are buying can touch the hair. Does that make sense? People have to make decisions first before buying.
So
I'm not gonna say I want to buy one of these hairs and not touch it. Next thing you know, it feels like synthetic hair and I'm paying natural hair prices. So yeah, let us know what you guys think down below about that whole situation. And he said it's so rude too. It wasn't even in a like
I'm
pleasant
sorry.
way. Yeah.
You guys cannot touch it. It's for display. But we're like, you can't touch that. We're like,
No, he's like, don't touch it. I don't want you to. What did he call it? He called it something.
display.
No, he said, I don't want you to something up the hair. He used the word. He's like, I don't want you to something. And I was like, in my head, I was like, okay, hair would not get all tangled and messed up just from patting it unless it's not human hair. So it probably wasn't human hair. He used a word that if I said the word to you guys would, like, it was a rude word. I don't want you guys to like up the hair and stuff.
Like, basically, not to parse. What do you call it again?
I just tangle, basically. Tangle and make it all like messy and bushy and all that stuff. So yeah, that was it. So we just left because like I found the page on Instagram. And the page looked fire on Instagram. When I went in there, they were selling clothes that you can get downtown for a fraction of the cost. But up there, they were selling like, if you were shopping at Gucci, Dolce Gabbana, like YSL, like those stores, it was those prices for those pieces.
I'm gonna tell you this because you're at Alpha Tree. Alpha Tree prices are different from downtown.
You didn't even say that. You didn't even say that.
I didn't mention it to you.
No,
they asked me where I shop. I said downtown. They say what besides, and I said Alpha Tree.
I said, do you don't shop in Halfway Tree? And then you were like, no. And I was like, yeah, I wouldn't either. I would shop downtown though. At the end of the day, because what they're selling in Halfway Tree, they're buying downtown and selling in Halfway Tree. Because what I saw in the store, I was like, I saw this downtown the other time when I went, and the man that was selling it downtown was selling it for like way less money than what we heard it for. But yeah. So sometimes, guys, as I always say in my vlogs, it's not about you having the money and wanting to spend it. It's about
how
you, how you spend it, and just be smart with your money. Because you have it, you don't have to spend it. If you know that you can go somewhere else and get it for a lower price, why wouldn't you? To each their own, but that's how I shop, and I feel like you will save a lot more money that way.
Yes, and if you want saving tips and budgeting tips, all of that is all on our channel.
Guys, comment down below what hairstyle you want Petagaye to do next. I love the braid one that she did. It was like half braids and then the rest was like...
Oh, yeah. Our natural hairstyle, but... Annesha can do a hairstyle. You can do hair?
Yeah.
But you can do my natural hair.
Anything
I know,
that you
but
want.
my hair is short compared to yours.
Anything that you want.
We can do a hair video. Curls up.
With what?
I don't know. You said anything. I want curls.
Okay, so your curls might be this. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys.
That's it, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next upload.
Hopefully the fan is not too loud.
So, yeah.